Hi friends, today video number 4 as usual, chapter number 1 Heritage of India, and maybe it's a last video for chapter number 1. We just quickly revise what we have done in the earlier, or you can say last videos. In video 1 we talk about meaning of heritage and meaning of culture. In second video we talk about cultural heritage of India and natural heritage of India, their differences and their examples. In video 3 we talk about India, land and people. In that we talk about different tribes who came in India and settled here. Now in this video we are going to learn a new topic, India, land and people, Aryans in that last community, and preservation and conservation of heritage. So let's start this Aryans. First one, the Aryans, the Nordic Aryans were the creators of the Aryan civilization in India, and as usual we have seen that I will write here the main features and characteristics of these tribes. So first of all, Aryans, the Nordic Aryans, the Nordic Aryans were the creator of Aryan civilization in India. Okay. Now, second point of Aryans, about Aryan culture. Hindus were called Aryans in the ancient time, and the area where they were densely populated was called Aryavratas. So I write here the main features. Hindus were called Aryans in ancient time. Hindus were called Aryans in the ancient times, and where they were densely populated, densely in the sense where they were living in a large number of people, that area is called Aryavratas. So I write here the words Aryavrata. Next point, as 7 rivers were flowing over that region, was named as Sapta Sindhu. Why they have given the name Sapta Sindhu? Because 7 rivers are flowing over that region, so they have given the name Sapta Sindhu. So I write here that as 7 rivers were flowing so that region, I write in short, that region, as 7 rivers were flowing, so that region was called Sapta Sindhu. Next point, Aryans were nature lovers. As we all know that the Aryans were nature lovers, so they are worshipping all the natural elements like the sun, the mountain, the rivers, the wind and the rain. So here I write in short, Aryans were nature lovers. Next point, they had composed, it means Aryans had composed hymns, 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 or you can say Richas, or it is called mantras also, for praying to various natural elements Now here we get the some information about Aryans. I quickly revise it. The Nordic Aryans were the creator of Aryan civilization in India. So I make underlines of that main point, creator of Aryan civilization. Hindus were called Aryans in the ancient times, and the area where they were densely populated, it is called Aryavratas. As 7 rivers were flowing, so that region was called as Sapta Sindhu. Aryans were nature lovers. They are worshipping each and every natural elements like the sun, the wind, the rivers, etc. Aryans had composed hymns or richas for praying to various natural elements. Now, today we are going to learn another topic also, preservation and conservation of heritage. So before start this topic, I give just small meaning of this preservation and conservation. Preservation means protection, or we can say care, whereas conservation means safeguard and defense. As we all know that India has rich and varied heritage, so it is our moral duty to protect it, and it is mentioned in our constitution also. So in this topic we are going to learn that preservation and conservation of heritage, in which article it is described and which kind of duties in mentioned in our article, or you can say constitution. So first of all, we get some of the informations regarding this preservation and conservation of heritage. So first of all, heritage brought glory to the nation. Heritage brought glory to the nation because it's a one kind of mirror, or you can say identification of the particular nation. And as we know that in our country we having a number of heritage or monument sites. Now second point is that India attained a leading position in the world by keeping its rich heritage protect and preserve. It means that India attained a leading position in the world because for the protection, I write here, protection and preservation of heritage. So if we get the leading position in the world, so it is moral and pious duties of each and every citizens of the country. Next one, in our constitution, the fundamental duties of Indian citizens are mentioned in Article 51 bracket A. In that, duty number 6, 7 and 9 describe the duties for preservation of our cultural heritage. I write this information here, and afterwards we talk about that duties. So first of all, I write that in our constitution, the fundamental duties of Indian citizen are mentioned in article. It is most important to remember the article number also, 51 bracket A. In that duty number 6, 7 and 9 describes the preservation of the cultural heritage. Now what is given in these duties? So here we'll discuss about the duties. So first of all, to understand the importance importance of our harmonious culture. Second duty, maintain the forest, rivers, ponds, and the wild animals and birds, along with maintaining the natural environment. And to show compassion for all the living creatures. And the last duty, the protection of public property and giving up violence are also included in it. Now we discuss about these three duties. First of all, I make the underline so you can understand. To understand, it means we need to understand the importance of a harmonious culture. It means whenever you are not understand the importance of this culture or heritage, so we cannot preserve it. Second one is about that maintain. We need to maintain each and every natural elements so we can easily protect that heritage or monuments. And the last one is that the protection. So it is too much important. These three words are too much important: understand, maintain, and protection. I hope that you get this topic. So in this video we talk about Aryan as well as preservation and conservation of heritage. Thank you.